Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious Pine Agua Fresca, a perfect summer treat. First, we'll need a ripe and juicy pineapple. Peel and chop it into small pieces. Now, add the chopped pineapple into the blender. For one pineapple, you'll need about 2 cups of water. Add the juice of half a lime for a tangy kick. A spoonful of sugar is added to the blender. To sweeten the drink, add a few tablespoons of sugar. The blender lid is placed, and the ingredients are blended until smooth. Place a few ice cubes in a glass to keep it cool and refreshing. Pour the blended mixture into the glass. And there you have it, a delicious and refreshing Pine Agua Fresca. Give it a try and enjoy the tropical flavors of this delightful drink. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.